Hello guys, welcome back with me. I'm Kadafi, and this time I will explain about this. We talk about a multi-tool. So I have this one, a classic multi-tool, and it is okay. May see. Okay, first part, it has a knife. The knife is enough to cut anything small. Okay, it's too sharp, I think, and I never use it. Okay, so this is the first, it has knife. And the second, okay, we fold the knife. Okay, open this one. This part is the bottle opener. The bottle, the kind of beer bottle or syrup bottle, I think. This part is two. The third is the bottle opener two. It's same, I think, but it's this and this. It's different shape of bottle, or I think it's about the degrees. Okay, that's it. The bottle opener. Okay, we fold it, and the fourth, we have a scissor. A small scissor too. Yes, I think it useful when you have a camp. Okay, this is the fourth. It has scissors. Okay, next, in this side there are three tool, I think, and the first, this side is the bottle opener. Okay, this is the bottle opener. I think this bottle opener used to open a wine bottle, and you just pin it to the cap of the bottle, then revolve it, and you just pop the cap, but the bottle cap. Okay, and the second, at this side, we have a file. Okay, file it at here. You may see this is the file, commonly used for nail, to make your nail sharpless, and I think this can be used to iron too. I never use it. Okay, the last one, we have a screwdriver. The screwdriver used for the small screw too. Okay, so this small multi-tool I have, its purpose to use in a camping event. Okay, yes, it can be very useful when you in urgent situation. Okay, I think this have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 tools. Okay, I think that just from me, it's all from me, and if I have mistakes, please forgive me. Thank you for watching.